Hi everyone, my name is Du Jixuan. Today, I'm going to present mini project programming technique 2. In my presentation, I'm going to split my presentation into 5 parts, which are introduction, UML diagram, code, output, and self-reflection. In the introduction, I will share about purpose of this program. This program is mainly built for airport management for COVID-19 pandemic. This program is help to check whether the passenger that arrive at Malaysia can enter Malaysia. In the output of this program, we can see the list for the departure and arrival communities such as passenger and staff. It also helps to view the list of quarantine center, hospital, and the people in both locations. Now, we will proceed to UML diagram. In our UML diagram, we got 14 classes, which are person, date, nation, passport, city, destination, health, healthy, ticket, infected, hospital, staff, quarantine, and passenger. This will be our UML diagram. In UML diagram, we can see that we have used all the relationship that we learned throughout the semester. For example, association, aggregation, composition, inheritance. Besides, polymorphism also can found in some of the class. Now, I will go to the coding part. In the explanation of coding part, I will split to two parts, which is part A and part B. In part A, I'm going to discuss the code in the class, such as city, date, destination, health, and nation. In part B, I will focus on function in the main, which is display the warning, view passenger arrival, view passenger departure, view quarantine center, view staff arrival, view staff departure, arrival menu, customer action, customer interface, and departure menu. So I'll start with class, nation, city, and destination. In three classes, we are using a relationship of multiple inheritance whereby the destination will receive data from the nation class and city class. This is the part of the nation class whereby we are request for the name of the nation. Next, this is the part of the city class whereby we are request for the name of the city. Therefore, in the destination, we combining the data of the nation and city to become the name of the destination. Now we will proceed to the next class, date. Date is perform the aggregation relationship with the passport. So this is the content of the date class. In the date class, we request for the day, month, and year for the passport. So I will start with class, nation, city, and destination. In three classes, we are using a relationship of multiple inheritance. This will be the content in the health class. In the health class, we are request the user to insert the info such as their temperature, whether they get a cough, fever, and difficult breathing. Now I'll proceed to part B. The first function that I will explain is the display warning. For the display warning, it is the menu that the user should read before they start to insert the input and use this program. Now I will explain about the function of view passenger arrival. After the user have inserted all their information, then a new text file will be accessed to show the list of the passenger arrived. Then I will explain about the function of the view passenger departure. Same with the function of the view passenger arrival. After the user have entered all their information, therefore a new file will be accessed to show the list of depart passengers. Now it will about the function of view quarantine center. In this function, it will show all the quarantine center registered in the program. When there is at least one of the quarantine center registered at the moment, it also show the list of the passenger that need to quarantine in the quarantine center. Next is about the wheel staff departure. We know that there is two types of people mainly in the airport, which is staff and the passenger. Therefore, this function is named for the staff whereby to list out the staff that depart from this airport. Same with the function of the staff arrival. The staff arrival is to list out all the airline staff that arrived to this airport. This will be the function of the arrival menu. In arrival menu, we're asking whether you are passenger or airline staff. After you select one of the category, therefore there will be the increment of the count to increase the number of variable of passenger or airline staff. This will be the function of the customer action. In customer action, we are asking whether you are arriving to Malaysia or departing from Malaysia. If you are choosing A, means that you are arriving to Malaysia, and B for departing from Malaysia. If you choose M, means that we will go back to the manager menu. The departure menu will perform the same action with the arrival menu. We will asking whether you are passenger or airline staff. After you select one of the category, then we will increase the number of the variable of passenger or airline staff. Let's go to the output. So the first thing we need to insert is the date of today. So 27th of June. Then we will ask there any pandemic hospital to be added. So I should put yes, because if no registered pandemic hospital at the moment, so therefore the system cannot be run. So how many? I'll put at least one, so I'll put one. And then the name I'll put Senai Hospital. So we will ask again whether you want to add extra pandemic hospital. In this case, I'll put no. So same with the quarantine center, we will ask whether you to add in the quarantine center. So if no quarantine center to be added, so the system cannot be run also, so I'll put yes. How many quarantine center? At least one, so in this case I'll put one. The name of the quarantine center I'll put is Senai Quarantine Center. So I successfully to insert the Senai Quarantine Center, so they will ask either extra quarantine center needed to added. I put no, but you can add yes if you want to add in the extra quarantine center. Then we'll proceed to the management menu. So now I'll display the customer interface. So we will ask whether you are arriving to Malaysia or depart from Malaysia. So I'll put A. I'm a passenger. So now we'll insert the general information. Your passport information. Your country you have traveled recently. Now you are asking about your health information. So in this case, I'll put the bed condition. So I'll put 40 degree. Yes. 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 So we will ask for your flight information also. Airport name. City name. And country name. So this is for my entry information. So since I'm high risk infected with COVID-19, therefore I'm going to hospital. So I choose one. So therefore I'm set to be joined the Senai Hospital. So I'll try one more that the customer need to go to the quarantine center. So I choose A. Passenger. So same, I need to put my general information. Passport number. Country that I travel. So I put 36. I'm okay about the temperature. I have some cough, but I don't have difficult breathing and fever. So flight number, airport name, city name, country name. So therefore I'm approved to enter the Malaysia, but at the same time I need to go quarantine. So I choose one for quarantine center. So therefore I'm going to quarantine center. So to go back to the management menu, I will put the input as M. So therefore now we will see the list of people in quarantine center. So I think it's one. So one person. Then the list of passengers arrived to Malaysia. So just now we insert 2 passengers arrived to Malaysia, so therefore the list is 2. This is 2 passengers arrived to Malaysia. So now list of staff arrived is 0 because I haven't insert any staff to this airport. List of passenger depart from Malaysia 0 because I haven't give the input for passenger who depart from this airport. Same as the staff depart from Malaysia. No record. So now view list of passenger with high risk of COVID-19 infection. There's 1 because just now one of the passenger is sent to the hospital. So Senang Hospital. The last one is after we finish the program, we will terminate the program. So thank you for utility system. Before I end my presentation, I will do some self-reflection. The first thing is my skills is not advanced as other members. Therefore, I need to improve myself in terms of the coding. Next, I think I should contribute more ideas to the team. Lastly, I think that I should be more active in the discussion. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.